As an OLAP tool, analysis allows you to do the following. As shown in the figure, the design panel is an element on the right-hand side of the user interface that has 3 tabs: Analysis, Information, and Components. You can use the design panel to create new views of your data and to find information on the data sources currently being used in the workbook.
The Analysis tab has 4 sections, and each of these sections is described in the following table.
On the Information tab, you can see detailed information for the following.
On the Components tab, you can see a list of components used in a workbook together with the properties of these components displayed in a tree-like structure. You can select whether the components should be listed by data source or by sheet. In both cases, the highest node of the list is the workbook. Below this, the data sources or the sheets are displayed with their components. You can use the Context menu to manage the components. For example, to insert, copy, and move or delete a component. A set of properties is available for each component. To see and change the properties for a component, select the component in the structure.
The following is an overview of navigation options in Analysis reports. When you work in the Analysis Design panel, the report is updated after each navigation step. You can choose Pause Refresh to deactivate the refresh after each navigation step.
In the Analysis Prompting dialog, you set values for prompts. Prompts are defined as variables in BEX Query Designer. Variables are parameters of an SAP BEX query and are filled with values when you insert a query as a data source in a worksheet. They serve as placeholders for members, hierarchies, hierarchy nodes, formula elements, and texts. You restrict the data displayed in your analysis to a subset of data with filtering. Filters are additive, so each additional filter is based on the current filter and further reduces the subset of data. There are 2 types of filters. Filtering members specifies which members to display in your analysis. You can also define members to use as filters in the background of the analysis. Filtering measures specifies which measure values to display in the analysis, for example, the top 3 regions in sales volume for each product. The figure shows an example of filtering and drilling down to data in a report.
You can organize different views of the data in your cross tab with sorting. If you sort the values of one measure, the other cells in your cross tab are also affected by the sorting, keeping the metadata information correct in the cross tab.
There are 2 options for working with hierarchical presentations in your analysis: Info Objects with Hierarchies and info objects displayed as a hierarchy.
When you insert a new crosstab in Analysis, members, measures and totals are displayed according to the default settings. You can change the display of these elements using the toolbar or context menu as follows. In this demonstration, you will see how to navigate in Analysis using the Design panel, drag and drop the context menu and the Analysis ribbon. Click Start. You can also press Ctrl plus Escape. Click All Programs. Click _SAP Business Intelligence. Click SAP Business Objects Analysis. Click Analysis for Microsoft Excel. In the following steps, you will see how to search and execute the query Sales Analysis 001 P_Sales_Analysis_001. Clicking the Analysis tab selects it. Clicking the Insert opens a drop-down list. Clicking the Select Data Source menu item executes it. The Search For field is filled out. Click Find. The entry Sales Analysis 001 is selected by double-clicking on it. In the following steps, you will see how to add the characteristic distribution channel to the drill down by dragging it to the rows area. Drag distribution channel. Drop on rows section. Right-clicking on distribution channel with the mouse opens a shortcut menu. Click Add to Rows. In the following steps, you will see how to remove the characteristic distribution channel from the drill down. Right-clicking on distribution channel with the mouse opens a shortcut menu. Click Remove. In the following steps, you will see how to create a filter for the country Germany. Right-clicking on country with the mouse opens a shortcut menu. Click Filter by Member. Select All checkbox is deselected. DE checkbox is selected. Click OK. Right-clicking on DE with the mouse opens a shortcut menu. Clicking the Filter Members menu item executes it. Click Country. Click OK. Now you have seen how to navigate in Analysis.
An analysis view is a saved navigation state of a report that includes applied filters, hierarchies, and available metadata. When you create a report with SAP Business Objects Analysis, you may want to save the analysis view so that you can reuse the analysis, share the analysis with other users, use other SAP Business Objects client tools to share the analysis.
In this demonstration, you will see how to save and reopen an analysis view and workbook. First, you will see how to open an analysis for MS Excel. Click Start. You can also press Ctrl plus Escape. Click All Programs. Click _SAP Business Intelligence. Click SAP Business Objects Analysis. Click Analysis for Microsoft Excel. In the following steps, you will see how to edit the platform settings. Clicking the Analysis tab selects it. Clicking the Settings opens a drop-down list. Click Settings. Clicking the Platform Settings tab selects it. Clicking the Preferred Platform opens a drop-down list. Clicking the Entry Business Intelligence Platform selects it. Click OK. In the following steps, you will see how to open the query P_sales_analysis_001. Clicking the Insert opens a drop-down list. Clicking the Select Data Source menu item executes it. The user field is filled out. The password field is filled out. Click OK. Click RWB. Click Next. The Search For field is filled out. Click Find. Clicking the entry Sales Analysis 001 selects it. Click OK. In the following steps, you will see how to edit the query and save the analysis view. Drag material. Drop on Rows section. Click Measures. Click Incoming Orders EUR. Right-clicking on Incoming Orders EUR with the mouse opens a shortcut menu. Click Remove. Click Order Entry Quantity. Right-clicking on Order Entry Quantity with the mouse opens a shortcut menu. Click Remove. Click Invoiced Quantity. Right-clicking on Invoiced Quantity with the mouse opens a shortcut menu. Click Remove. Click 0.00. Right-clicking on 0.00 with the mouse opens a shortcut menu. Clicking the Save Analysis View menu item executes it. Click SAP. The name field is filled out. The description field is filled out. Click Save. Click Close. In the following steps, you will see how to open the analysis view that you have just saved. Clicking the Analysis tab selects it. Clicking the Insert opens a drop-down list. Clicking the Insert Analysis View menu item executes it. Clicking the Folders tab selects it. Click SAP. Click Sales_Analysis_1. Click OK. In the following steps, you will see how to change platform settings to NetWeaver platform. Clicking the Settings opens a drop-down list. Click Settings. Clicking the Platform Settings tab selects it. Clicking the Preferred Platform opens a drop-down list. Clicking the entry NetWeaver selects it. Click OK. Click Close. In the following steps, you will see how to save and reopen an analysis workbook. Clicking the Analysis tab selects it. Clicking the Insert opens a drop-down list. Clicking the entry Sales Analysis 001 RWB space selects it. The password field is filled out. Click OK. Click File. Clicking the Analysis tab selects it. Click Save Workbook. Click Roll 00. The name field is filled out. The description field is filled out. Click Save. Click File. Clicking the Analysis tab selects it. Click Open Workbook. Clicking the Folders tab selects it. Click Roll 00. Click U00 Workbook. Click OK. Click Close. Now you have seen how to save and reopen an analysis view and workbook.